Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni Kiria yugite ati ni makoretwo makiingirira uruti wira wa Kaunti makiaria na Andiki a Mohoro Matongoretio ni Mutongoria wa Raila Odinga ni makumithitie na njira nene thirikari ino ya Kenya Kwanza kuria mamerete matige thirikari cia Kaunti ikorwo ikiruta wira uria ciaheirwo.
Whereas county governors are trying hard to discharge their duties as prescribed in the 2010 Constitution, the national government is, on the other hand, trying much harder to pull down their legs and suppress them. It is worth noting that devolution is the best thing that happened to the people of Kenya in terms of service delivery, has the need for the strengthening, re-energizing, and well-funding. In the spirit of separation of power and division of functions under the 2010 Constitution, the Azimio Umoja One Kenya coalition leadership and county governors elected on the coalition parties resolved as follows. 1. That the national government should respect the Constitution and stop meddling in the affairs and functions of county governments. They should desist from the current interference in the mandate of devolved functions such as distribution of fertilizer, action and opening of markets, health sector, and commissioning of industrial parks. 2. The national government should release funds allocated to county governments in time for the effectiveness and efficiency in service delivery. This will go a long way in averting industrial actions by the workers and end up slowing down delivery of service to the people.
Haya, tukiherera ici ciĩgiĩ Azimio rĩu tũingĩre ici ciĩgiĩ